Hello, brother and sister. Today I want to read for you the Abraham's big text. We had to be recognizing, we had to be go and looking and listening carefully. This is a big text. Nobody can afford it. Nobody can do this. That means it's very important to all of us. Everything we do, we should be carefully. Okay, the God is not. Uh, Not just like the passionate people. Okay, God is very, very interesting to us. This is mean we are the grateful to God. We should be do follow the God um, during the test. That when you pass the test, you will get an answer. Okay, we looking for what? Go ahead. Okay, we let go take a look. Sometime later, God texted Abraham. He said to him, Abraham, here I am. He replies. Who is he replies? Mean Abraham replies. Okay. Then God said, take your son, your only son, Isaac, whom you love, and go to the regions of Moriah. Sacrifice him there as a burnt offering on one of the mountain I will tell you about. Early the next morning, Abraham got up and saddled his donkey. He took with him two of his servants and his son Isaac. When he had cut enough wood for the burnt offering, he set out for the place God had told him about. On the third day, Abraham looked up and saw the place in the distance. He said to his servants, stay here with the donkey while I and the boy go over there. We will worship, and then we will come back to you. Abraham took the wood for the burnt offering and placed it on his son Isaac, and he himself carried the fire and the knife. As the two of them went together, Isaac spoke up and said to his father, Abraham, Father. Yes, my son. Abraham replied, the fires and the wood are there. Isaac says, but where is the lamb for the burnt offering? Abraham answered, God himself will approve the lamb for the burnt offering, my son. And the two of them went on together. When they reached the place of God has told him about, Abraham built an altar there and arranges the wood on it. He burned his son Isaac and laid him on the altar on top of the wood. Then he reached out his hand and took the knife to slay his son. But the angels of the Lord called out to him from heaven, Abraham, Abraham, for heaven. Abraham, Abraham, here I am. He replies, do not lay a hand on the body. He said, do not do anything to him. Now I know that you have failed God, because you have not withheld from me your son, your only son. Abraham looked up, and there is the Hickey. He saw the ram caught by its own. He went over and took ram and sacrificed it and burnt an offering instead of his son. So Abraham calls this place the Lord will provide, and to this date is said, on the mountain of the Lord it will be provided. The angel of the Lord called Abraham from the heaven a second time and said, I swear by myself, declare the Lord, that's because you have done this and has not withheld your son, your only son. I will surely bless you and make you descendant and numerous as the stars and the sky and the sand on the seashore. Your descendants will take possession of the city, okay, of the city of their enemies, and thus your offspring, all nations on earth will be blessed because you has obeyed me. Then Abraham returned to his service, and they set up together for the Beersheba, and Abraham stayed in the Beersheba. We should think about this. This is an offering to God, only your son. This is amazing, is such a thing, and feelings, and a very terrible, bad thing. But Abraham did the right thing to do about that. God test him, and pass the test and get a blessing from God. This is a very important thing. We should know about that. Every person and think about it. Once you need the blessing to God, it's not easy to take it, not easy to get it. That's why we should know about the God bless you, God may keep you. Everybody think about it. Don't make it touch to God and I'm feeling that. Remember this, God is grateful. Bye bye. God bless you. God bless your family. Every person that look at my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.